Hi guys, it's Sandy here and today I have a very exciting video. So, I've been wanting to buy some wigs for like my TikTok videos and my makeup videos, especially when I do like costume makeup and stuff. Like sometimes it's really cool to have the hair to fit the look. So my friend Carrie told me to check out a store called Glamour Hair SA, and she told me they ship throughout South Africa. So they are based in Sandton. They have a physical store there. So if you are in that area, it's probably best if you go in store. But I'm in PE, so I ordered online. I placed my order on Tuesday and it's Friday today, and I already received my order early this morning, so service was great. They delivered through fast way couriers, but they do use a few other couriers as well. The only thing that was different when ordering with them is they don't have like the online payment system. So after you place your order and do the checkout, you get banking details and you need to EFT the amount, and then you just email them your proof of payment. But they literally got back to me like 10 minutes after I emailed my proof of payment saying that they received my payment, and the next day already they shipped out my order. I didn't order like too many things because I just wanted to try out the quality of their wigs. They have all different like price ranges for their wigs, but I went and got like the synthetic hair ones. Really cheap. It's not as cheap as like the ones you buy at the Chinese shop, but like it's still really cheap. Anyway, let's see this out. I'm gonna save the wigs for last though, because I'll try that on. First, I bought detangling spray for the wigs. You're supposed to just spray this on the wigs and then brush them through. So let me open this because they really packaged this up well. Oh wow, like they put foam to protect this. That's really nice. I must say I'm very impressed with their service. Especially for the fact that they seem like, you know, they're more like interested with their physical store and maintaining their physical store. They're not so much concerned with like online promotions and online sales, because they don't do like a lot of advertisements and stuff. I don't even know if I really needed this detangling spray. I just thought, you know, it'll be a good idea if I got detangling spray. So yeah, this was 38 Rand for this 200ml bottle, which is, it's a lot. It's quite nice. Then I bought these eyelashes because I saw they were selling eyelashes. These are 5 pairs of faux minx lashes, and these were just 125 Rand. Look here, they look decent. Like, they don't look plasticky. I've bought lashes like this before, so I already knew what to expect, and this is literally what I expected. Absolutely no complaints at all. Yeah. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, the hair. This is probably going to be a really short video. Okay, so I bought 2 wigs. So this is a black bob and this is a black and red ombre bob. I wanted to get something that wasn't too crazy at first. Like, just to do the packaging, they look really nice. So I'm gonna do the black bob first. I love short hair, and I used to have short hair for such a long time, so I thought this would be perfect. Oh my goodness. No man, like, tell me this doesn't look like my hair though. Like, what? Oh yeah, by the way, these wigs were 160 Rand each. 160 Rand each. Okay, I need to open this. Oh, these are nice. Oh, these are real nice. Okay, so they come in a hairnet. I'm trying to be really careful here. They come in this little hairnet. Oh wow, this is actually really short. Okay, there's this paper inside. And I need to cut off this tag that's hanging here. Some like instructions for how to take care of this hair, which is nice. Here's the wig. How cute is this though? Like, it's so freaky. This really looks like my hair. Like, my hair is literally like this shiny as well. So weird. Oh my gosh. Okay. Like, inside, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a really nice cap. And like, it's covered properly. This is really nice. I'm really impressed with this quality. I don't know how to put this on. I see there's like there's like clasps. There's like clasps here at the back. I also have like one of these like wig caps just to like hold my hair back. Okay, so let's do the wig now. I might have to do this off camera. Okay, so I just like quickly tried to put this on. I don't know if it's like super properly because my natural hair is always difficult to get under a wig. But like, it's okay, it's really short. It's really short. I didn't expect it to be like this short, but still, I think it's really cute. And like, it really feels like my hair. It's so freaky. I probably need to like comb it out and stuff. But yeah, man, like this is really good quality. I'm happy with it. Oh my goodness. Also, like I wanted something with a fringe because I would never cut a fringe. I did it once in my life and I didn't like it, but I don't think fringes suit me. But I think, you know, depending on the look or whatever creative video I'm doing or something, it could be a vibe. But it's really comfortable. Like, I'm sorry, I can't stop touching it. It's so weird. And I mean, the hair isn't falling out like all over the place when you touch it, which is really nice. Yeah, this fringe is hectic, hey? This fringe is so hectic. The other one is a slightly different style, so let's try this one out. It's a black and red ombre with a middle part. Okay, let's see what this hair looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is going to be fun to put on. It's like an angled bob. Oh my goodness, look at that back. What? And this was also 160 rand. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, there's like you can see a little gap there, but I think that's just because of the way I put this thing on, man. I don't think I put it on super properly. That's why you can see this little space there, but that's my fault. But I mean, with the quality of this hair, again, like it's perfect for what I wanted it for, which is like videos and, you know, on camera type of stuff. But I mean, like the coloring between the black and red ombre is really good. It could be my hair, I guess, you know. Like, it's really cute, man. Like, it's really cute. Also, like, I'm probably like just, you know, I need to like comb it down nicely and stuff, but it's really cute. Also, yeah, I did say these wigs are heat resistant, so I'm guessing I could straighten it. I feel like Gamora from Guardians of the Galaxy. I'll obviously put this wig on like properly when doing videos and stuff, but I just want to like show the effect of it right now. I think it's really cute. It's a high-low bob. I don't know what the back is looking like right now. Okay, my clip is just there. I definitely want to buy more hair from there now. At least now I know the quality is like really good. So like, thank you, Carrie, for the plug. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I want to get some long wigs next time. I think the longer synthetic wigs that look like a good quality were around 240 rand each. I really want like some pastel colors and stuff. Oh, what do you guys think? Suggestions, like what other wigs do you think would be really cool for like makeup looks and videos and stuff? And what's nice about Glamour Hair SA is they have like wigs for all different ranges. So, you know, my friend Carrie, who recommended me this place, she's a cosplayer. She gets her cosplay wigs from there. But they sell normal wigs as well, like this, the synthetic wigs. They have lace front synthetic wigs. They also have like your human hair lace front wigs. They really have all different price ranges, all different styles, different lengths. Which is really nice. It's really bad for my bank account though, because now I'm so tempted to buy more. Like, oh, I really want a long pastel blue wig, man. I think I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!